So here's today's disaster. I just received in the mail a clock that apparently the postal football team dropped the ball and smashed a gear, shook the clock so hard that a gear broke. Now on the end of a shaft is a thing known as a pivot, and on this one it's been broken right off. So this is going to be a repair for a broken pivot. First I have to find, this is my jeweler's lathe. First I have to find the right size that fits the opposing shaft. And should be this one here. I put this in the lathe and attach it to the chuck. Now I slip the wheel in and tighten it down. And that thing should spin now, nice and true. Then I take a graver, carbide tip, and I cut a center right in the center of that broken shaft to where I can now put a drill bit. Now I take a drill that I've put into this little drill bit holder, and I'm going to drill the center of this hole. Now, I've cut a hole right down the center there. Then I find some steel stock. There's all different types of sizes here. And I find the correct size. Here it is here. There's a piece of steel stock. And that's going to fit right down the center of there. And I'll cut that off so it's exactly the right size. And then we'll silver solder this shaft into position. There. Now we'll take this out. And there's the repaired end of the clock. Now I'll match that new shaft to the hole in the clock. And if I need to, I'll put a bearing in there to make it exactly the right size. That was just a piece of magic that I just did.